In this video, we're gonna show you how to not only do quality control on your rental property, but also how to check and make sure you pass Section 8. And also to find out what you can eliminate and what you can keep in Section 8. So stay tuned and check out the entire video. Yes, I love these floors. You like those?
That's my trademark, baby.
Tell me about your trademark. What are these?
We like to use curtains because they don't break.
Are you telling me that tenants are hard on stuff?
Are you kidding me?
So how much is this?
Okay, so your rod is 20 bucks and your curtains are another $10, so about 35 bucks as opposed to 140 bucks.
140 bucks. It's gonna come off the rails. Everything's gonna go wrong. Do people complain about those?
Nope.
I bought this house here for how much? 65,000. We're probably putting, I don't know, call it 25,000, 20,000 into it. How much is this gonna rent for?
12 or 13.
Now, are you gonna get renter's insurance on this one for me?
Yeah, we're gonna get renter's insurance.
Can you tell me about the time that you didn't get renter's insurance?
Renter's insurance is something that we require, but when you're on Section 8, if it's 100% benefit, we cannot require an additional charge to the tenant.
Unless, because I saw somebody was charging for renting out parking spaces the other day. You can rent out the driveway and stuff like that. There's a way around it.
Well, you might be right, but again, if I rent parking space, it's more rent. And so if the max is...
So what did I tell you on the last one when you couldn't
Just do it.
Just do it no matter what, meaning I'll pay for it.
Meaning, yeah, just get it done.
Because what's renter's insurance per month?
Yeah, $12.50 a month.
How much was that house fire?
Yeah, about 40 grand.
So yeah, renter's insurance, we want to do that because it's going to cover the renter, it's going to cover us.
This house looks great. This tile makes this house look like $1 million.
Yeah, so we tiled the whole damn house. Why did we tile the whole house?
Because renters can't tear it up unless they are really up in it.
Yeah, you heard it there yourself. Will we keep the ceiling fan right here?
No, sir, we won't.
Will we keep this ceiling fan?
No, we won't keep any of these ceiling fans.
Why will we not keep a ceiling fan?
Because that's one more thing you're gonna have to fix or replace.
Is this going to be a problem if we don't have a ceiling fan and we have a light? Is that going to prevent you from renting it?
No, it's not going to prevent me, but one thing that you have to take into consideration, you get like extra points for ceiling fans. So it's kind of a...
Extra points from who?
The housing authority. Raise the rent. It just depends.
How much is it going to raise the rent?
Well, it's just,
Nothing. Inconsequential.
No, it's not. I get extra, credit points towards, like when I'm trying to maximize rents, if I have ceiling fans, if I have, obviously, central air conditioning,
all right, so,
upgraded floors, we get extra points.
So how many ceiling fans do you deal with that have to break?
Well, they all will break. It's just a matter of, is there a cost benefit?
So what's the cost of this to replace a ceiling fan? Your basic ceiling fan.
Yeah, that's like to put a new one in there is going to cost you at least 75 bucks with labor.
With labor?
Yeah, including labor.
Minimum?
Yeah.
I'm talking 140, let's call it 150 bucks to put a new ceiling fan in.
A $20 light fixture.
$20 light fixture.
Yeah. That'll last till it breaks.
That'll last till it breaks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 components to this thing.
We always lose these. That's the number one thing that gets broke.
Yeah, somebody's gonna go change the light bulb. What's gonna happen?
Yeah, they never put the globe back on, but they do the same thing for flush mounts.
But what's the price
I
difference?
know. I get that. I get that.
So, okay, on November 10th and 11th in Kansas City, Missouri, we are hosting our mastermind event, which is where you're gonna learn how to wholesale, flip, buy and hold, BRRRR, every single real estate strategy under the sun happening November 10th and 11th in Kansas City, Missouri, right downtown in the building that I bought, using the methods that we will teach you, and you will have everything that you need to get started investing in real estate. We're gonna have attorneys there to set up your asset protection trusts, LLCs. We're going to have sales and marketing funnel experts to help you set up your sales and marketing funnels. We're going to have a tax consultant to make sure that you can eliminate your taxes. And then we're gonna have all of the experts, all people who have retired from their 9 to 5, who are going to speak on you, how they become multimillionaires through investing in real estate. And they're going to teach you the strategies that they use and do every day so that you can become financially free by investing in real estate. That's November 10th and 11th in Kansas City, Missouri. Go to millionairementorshipmastermind.com. Buy your ticket today. Is this one going away or are we keeping this? That's gotta go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are special bulbs. These are not just your regular bulbs. These are $3 or $4 bulbs. Why does anybody need that? Now, if we're selling this house, we're going to replace this with a nicer fixture. If we're renting this house, this is a liability. What is on here that can fall and hurt someone? Glass.
Glass panels.
Lights. These are just problematic stuff. We've got nice flooring in here. The house looks in good condition. Ah! What do I see here? 2 more things that need to go away.
Disposal and dish machine, absolutely.
Do you keep them in yours, Elaine?
No.
We get rid of dishwashers and we get rid of disposals. This can hurt someone, even myself included. I've seen stuff get stuck in a garbage disposal. What happens when it gets stuck in the garbage disposal? Everybody reaches their hand down there to try to unjam it, and that's a potential liability. You shouldn't be throwing food down there, but it encouraged people to throw food down there. Do you think that corporate America might have something to do with that? I'm not blaming the tenants. Now here's the other thing. They say, oh yeah. Dishwashers save water. No, they freaking don't, because everybody pre-rinses things in here and then they go and store it here. We're gonna get rid of it. So this goes, and this goes.
Yeah, somebody really raised hell with this thing.
What happened there?
Somebody pried it apart.
Yeah, somebody must have got in here while they were working.
You can just replace one panel, one pane.
Whoa. Here's the question though. Is it cheaper to just replace the whole window?
No.
Are you sure?
You gotta take all of the frame from the inside. You can't take that.
So how much is it with this window?
Just for the glass. You're just buying one big pane of glass because this comes out.
You're talking about $70.
This, if we do Section 8, we're gonna have a problem with this fence. I am just telling you, not because I want you to change it.
So
or
what's
do
Section
anything.
8 care about our fences for?
If they're falling down, it's a hazard, and they're not gonna stand for that kind of repair. My guys can go ahead and take care of it when it comes up. Just be prepared.
Are we better off just not having a fence?
Well, it'd be a whole lot easier not to.
What is the biggest problem with Section 8? They've gotten really strict down here, haven't they?
They have. Paint that's blistering becomes a hazard. Fencing, light fixtures, outlets. Big time on the outlets.
Are they checking every plug these days?
Pretty much, yeah. I mean, if they don't, we got lucky, but they go through with their little meter and check, make sure they're grounded properly.
What about vegetation? Don't they want that stuff cut back too?
If there's something that's overgrown, it's up against the house, they'll ask you to pull it back.
Why? Why do they care about that?
Rodents requirements become stricter and stricter. There's just more at stake for them cutting checks to people, and they want owners more accountable.
So what's a cash paying house on this gonna get us?
I would say $1,000.
What's Section 8 gonna get us?
Mike has 12 or 13. Are we doing anything with the gutters?
Are gutters a requirement for Section?
No, they're not.
I would say pull them off.
Well, I would say the same, because with no downspouts, they're just gonna they're broken, they'll end up getting filled with junk and end up, being a liability. Boy, this is a huge yard, man.
Yeah.
This is a nice property.
It's a newer HVAC system too, isn't it?
Looks brand new. You guys put that in, right?
Yep, had to be. We got to rip off the gutter here too, or no? The whole gutter system's fried.
The problem is, it's either repair it or get rid of it.
There's no benefit to gutters.
No, not if you don't clean them.
Do the tenants clean gutters?
No.
Have you ever met a tenant who cleaned your gutters?
No.
Have you ever met a tenant who's called you to change a light bulb?
Yes.
If you're a tenant, you want to give tenants good reputation. Start cleaning your gutters and start changing your light bulbs.
Trim your shrubbery and do minor maintenance to the exterior of your fencing and just the exterior of your home that doesn't require any major work.
So we don't have any garage doors on this thing. Have you ever rented out houses without garage doors on them?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Is it an issue?
No.
So we're now calling this a carport.
Yeah.
That's the solution. Because what is a garage door going to cost us? And we need 2 of them.
You need 2 of them. It's going to be about, what, $2,200, something like that?
No garage door. That's the first time we tried that. I think here it's exceptional.
Better neighborhood.
Better neighborhood.
Yeah.
Talk to you in the next one. We'll see you on the next house. Peace.